Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Android Auto is installed and updated on your phone, and that your Volkswagen is switched to accessory power. Plug a data-capable USB cable into the car's USB-A or USB-C port. The car won't accept charge-only cords. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and location services so the initial handshake can occur. Once done, accept any permissions prompts on screen and on the phone. This establishes the connection and grants Android Auto access to contacts, audio, and navigation. After the physical connection, follow the Volkswagen's infotainment prompts to select Android Auto as the media source. You'll see permission dialogues on both devices. Grant contacts, messages, media, and location so voice commands and navigation work seamlessly. On the car screen, choose which apps appear. Set your preferred navigation, Google Maps or Waze, music app, and messaging client. Once configured, test voice commands with a short request. If the screen stays blank, try switching to a different USB port or toggling Android Auto on the phone. Now operate Android Auto. Press your steering wheel's voice button to trigger Google Assistant and speak navigation, calls, or music requests. This keeps your focus on driving. Use the car's touchscreen to switch apps and to accept calls, and make sure to keep the phone mounted and charging. If you hit problems, like audio dropouts or no connection, reboot your phone first, then try the original OEM or a high-quality cable, and verify your Volkswagen's infotainment firmware is current. One tip: clear the Android Auto app cache if persistent glitches remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.